Hello everyone, this is my video of unboxing my new little CZ38. Now you'll notice this is it's a real box, not one of these cheap plastic imitation carrier things that you usually get guns in nowadays. This is a real cardboard box. So I am literally unboxing my CZ38 for you as it came to me. There it is, made in 1939, so it's 80 years old, not too shabby. But yeah, think about that, this is made 80 years ago. Takes 380 ACP. Not sure why they figured on that round, but that's just what it is. This is in really seriously nice condition. How many wear marks? A few little scratches up on the slide there. But the neatest thing about this gun, those of you that aren't familiar with CZ38s, you want to disassemble it? Magazine is in there. Push that lever forward, slide the barrel off. Sorry, slide the slide off. Barrel rotates from the front. Now you'll notice with the magazine in there, if there were a round in the magazine, it would be sitting right here lined up to the barrel. You don't have a feed ramp. The bullet just goes right into the barrel. Sorry, I'm not practiced at this. The mag release, you don't have a mag release here, which brings up something I really like about this gun. You don't have a bunch of levers and stuff sticking out of it. It's all just smooth. The only control lever you have at all is for the slide release. Magazine release is the old style down here. It's a little stiff. I think it's 9 plus 1. I'm honestly not 100% sure. But there it is. There's your follower lined up right with the barrel. To reassemble, you just slide your barrel back in. Press forward, lock it down in place. There you go. And I have to say, it is double action only, but trigger pull is super smooth, super smooth. It's a long, heavy trigger pull, but then again, that's, well, double action for you. Anyway, there's my everything clearly legible on it. Everything else just smooth, which I like, but that's just me. People say it's an ugly gun. I think it's beautiful. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm boxing it back up again now.